Cincinnati Monoset tool and cutter grinder. This unit is currently wired 440 but can also be wired 220. I'm going to start right off in the beginning just let everybody know. Slide on the main workhead does have some wear. It goes to the back fine. As you can see, it actually starts to get a little bit loose the further back you go. You can adjust the gib for wherever your work area is. But when you come up to about here, it gets tight because the slide actually bottoms out because there is a bow in the bed on the bottom slide. Really, that's the only major issue with this machine, other than the lube pump on this side. Lube pump does work. Push it in, it does stay out. It does leak a little bit of oil right here around, so when it sits, it will leak down a little bit. But the lube system works perfectly on this unit. Over here on the side, take this cap off. Always make sure there's oil in here. This lube's the screw and the ways over here for the workhead to go up and down. Now this unit, there's a lot on this unit, so I'll go over on the sheet. The workhead collet capacity is 1.25 inches. The workhead's swing over the main slide is 12 inches. Workhead maximum diameter grinding wheel is 4 inches. Workhead longitudinal travel is 5 3/4. Workhead cross travel is 5 1/4. The workhead swivels 235 degrees and tilts 80 degrees. And the spindle rotation, of course, is 360 degrees. On the main workhead, we're 1/2 horsepower. On the secondary workhead, we're 1/2 horsepower. And as you can see, if you come over here, you can either index this manually. It actually has an index clicker. You set it up, it will click. Bring it down a little bit more. See, so you can index it wherever you need it to be. Bring this back up. Put the belt back on this. Now down here to start your workhead. It's forward. Red button's always stop. And you have reverse also. Over here, if you want to use your handles for your slide, always make sure one of them is locked out. Otherwise, if you have them both open, it will do nothing. So you always have to have one of them locked out. This here, you're not going to see this move on the video, but this does move. This moves intense. If you come over here to the back, this is your setting for your left and right-handed spiral. So you would loosen your binder. As you can see, it's moving over here too. This sets for your spiral. If you want the 0, then if you want to go to right hand, it does the same also. Always bind this down. Everything was taken apart, clean, put back together. Whoever was using this machine always just had it set on 0. But everything's clean, moves freely, in excellent condition, no rust or anywhere inside of the case over here. We do have a main disconnect box on the side. Of course, down is off, up is on. Start your main workhead. Come over here to start. You can tell that the bearings and the spindle are in excellent condition. They sound great. If you come down here, move down here real quick. This unit comes loaded. It comes with all kinds of accessories. And then we have collets, various sizes. Over here we got a whole box of grinding wheels with different size arbors. As you can see, some are in really good shape, some are worn. But like I said, you have all the arbors, you have everything you need right here. Another bag of belts for the secondary workhead. These are the guards for the secondary workhead. Most people take them off so they can take the belt on and off very easily, but if your shop does require them, it does still have the guards. Comes with a clamp. And it comes with another box. You can see. These are all the chuck wrenches, keys. Here's other arbors for the spindles, really small grinding wheels. Here's some more small collets, bigger collets, more guards. So like I said, this unit comes with all kinds of accessories. The only other thing, we do not have the key for this lock right here, but it does still move just enough to latch it. Over here, we installed a new guard. This is one of the rolling guards. It was missing. It was all ripped and torn. So as you can see, when it goes up, it rolls. There is no binding or worn or tight spots on this slide area here. Goes up with ease. Comes down with ease. You also have all your adjustable limits here, your stops. Put your stops where you need to be, and you can do fine adjustment. All your stops are in place. This is your binder for your workhead. Loosen it. As you can see, it swivels very, very easily. Both stops are here. There's one right here. The other one's probably around this side. It's right here. Also, you have the work light. This unit has its own transformer on it, so there's no need for extension cords. This is our Cincinnati Monoset tool and cutter grinder.